Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to sign up as a student on Artigenius, step by step. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.artigenius.com, hit enter. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Get Started. Just click on that, then select Sign Up as Student. Now, a sign-up form will pop up on your screen. Here, you just need to fill in a few basic details. Start by typing your full name. Make sure it's spelled correctly. Then enter your email address. This is where you'll get important updates and class notifications. Now, create a strong password, something secure but easy for you to remember. Once all the details are filled in, just click on the Sign Up button at the bottom of the form. And that's it. You're now signed up as a student on Artigenius. You'll be taken to your student dashboard, where you can explore live classes, join exciting projects, and learn all sorts of cool stuff. So that's how easy it is to join Artigenius. If this video helped you out, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more guides and updates. We'll see you inside Artigenius. Bye!